Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of what many consider to be the best tow sprayer on the market. The NorthStar Tow Behind Trailer Boom Broadcast and Spot Sprayer. This robust piece of equipment is designed to handle a variety of spraying tasks with ease. Let's explore why it's gained such a reputation. The NorthStar Tow Behind Sprayer boasts a 31-gallon capacity, making it ideal for larger spraying jobs in gardens, lawns, and fields. It's powered by a 12 volts 2.2 GPM NorthStar NSQ series pump, known for its exceptional performance with a maximum of 70 psi. This pump ensures faster priming and longer life, backed by a 100% continuous duty rating. The sprayer features a durable alloy steel construction with UV-resistant, extra-thick tank walls. This design not only enhances its longevity but also makes it compatible with a wide range of pesticides and chemicals. It's equipped with a Santoprene diaphragm and Viton valves, providing superior reliability and chemical resistance. Users appreciate its sturdiness with a rating of 4.4 out of 5 for sturdiness, making it reliable for rugged outdoor use. It's noted for being easy to use and assemble, with a straightforward setup process that gets you spraying in no time. The value for money is highlighted, ensuring that your investment goes a long way. Let's talk performance. Whether you're spot spraying or using the boom for broader coverage, the NorthStar sprayer delivers consistent results. It's designed for efficiency, allowing you to cover large areas quickly and effectively. The Honeywell micro switch adds to its durability, ensuring each operation is smooth and reliable. In conclusion, the NorthStar Tow Behind Trailer Boom Broadcast and Spot Sprayer stands out as a top choice for anyone needing a reliable, high-capacity sprayer for their outdoor tasks. Its combination of durability, performance, and ease of use makes it a valuable addition to any gardening or landscaping toolkit. If you're interested in upgrading your sprayer equipment, you can find the NorthStar Tow Behind Trailer Boom Broadcast and Spot Sprayer through the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and product insights from Product Critique. Thanks for watching.